What's good, y'all? Jonathan Barbecue here. We got our Cowboy brand natural briquettes as well as our fire starters. And today we making grilled red snapper with arugula salad. Let's get it. Charcoal here. Y'all know we gotta use the best of the best. Cowboy brand. Of course, we got our Cowboy fire starters. I'm gonna go with a few of those today. We're gonna get these going. This will be ready in about 15 minutes. All right, so what we're looking at here is about 3 pounds of red snapper. It's already been gutted, you know what I mean? The fins is off of it. It's been scaled, everything. This is really a layup for us today. So all we got to do, apply some oil, some seasoning, and then get to grilling this thing. Just got us some avocado oil here. Just gonna work that all over. I mean, anytime you grill fish, you know, you gotta look out for it sticking to the grill. One of the ways to combat that is to give it a good amount of oil, okay? After that, we're gonna give it some salt. Keeping it real simple. Get some on the inside too. Then we're gonna come through with the pepper. All right, let's cut us up a little lemon. We'll add these lemons right to the inside like that. Also, let's stuff it with a little bit of thyme too. Just like that. Our grill is up to temp. Our fish is all prepped up. Let's get it on. We're gonna be going medium-high heat directly over the coals. So it's been about 6 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give it our first flip. And you can see it's ready to flip because it's coming off of the grate for me. Looking really good so far. We're gonna give it about another 6 to 7 minutes. All right, while that last side of the fish is cooking, we're just gonna get a bowl out. Gonna need a half of a lemon. All right, to this bowl, we're gonna add a couple handfuls of arugula. We're gonna take half of that lemon. Rookie move, let me fetch these seeds out. Hit it with 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. And we'll get fancy with some shaved parmesan too. Let's get this all mixed up. And this is gonna be like the base of our fish. So our fish is gonna sit on top of this salad, but something nice, little green to pick at while you eat on the fish here. So we're just gonna put our bed of salad down here. Now that's a spread right there. Hit it with a little bit of this grilled lemon. Get some of this skin, some of this fish, some of this salad. Yes, indeed.